Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make macro photos with HAFURY GT20. And to do this we'll need to open our camera. Then in the photo mode click on this four tiles in the top right corner of the screen. There is a macro lens. Now we can pick up our phone, place it around, I don't know, like 3 centimeters away from the object. And then you can click on the screen to focus on a specific portion of the screen. And when you're ready, click on the shutter. Try to be as stable as possible until the photo is taken. And here we have a macro photo. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.